So in this video, you will learn how to reset, unlock, factory reset any Samsung mobile device of your choice. But before I kickstart, this is Latest Tech YouTube channel. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I'll urge you to subscribe right now. When you subscribe, it will help you to stay updated each time we drop a new content like this. Disclaimer: this video is created or was created only for educational purposes only. Any criminal activity or activities is prohibited while using this video. So to proceed, I'll be showing you in few minutes how to unlock at reset, factory reset any Samsung mobile phone of your choice when your password, pattern, pin, fingerprints, face unlock has been forgotten. So the first thing you have to do in order to hard reset any Samsung device of your choice is to power off the device. That is the first thing you have to do. Power the device off completely. Give it few seconds to completely turn off. On your screen, you can clearly see that the device has been turned off completely. So the next thing you have to do is to locate your volume up key. This is the volume up key, the center key, and as well as the power key. That is the three keys you are to concentrate on. When you press the three key, you see that you will be able to unlock your locked Samsung mobile phone of your choice. Don't forget that I told you the three keys you need to hard reset this device, which is the Samsung mobile phone, is the volume up key, the center key, and the power key. So you need to focus on the three keys I just mentioned right away. Volume up key, the center key, and the power key. You see that when you press the three key, when you press the three keys, when you see the Samsung logo on the screen, release it. Press the three keys together. Release the three keys when you see the Samsung logo on your screen or on your mobile device. Wait for a few seconds in order to bring up or to step up the hard resetting menu, which will help us to hard reset the device in a jiffy. So this is the hard reset menu. The hard reset menu comprises of all this list. What you have to do is to use your volume down key to navigate to the option we will take right away. First of all, take your cursor or take your volume down key to wipe cache partition. This is to enable the process go smoothly or to go fast. Use your power key to select this option. Use your volume down key to take you to yes. Use your power key again to select the process to kickstart by wiping the cache of the phone, the cache partition of the phone. As you can see on your screen, you see that the cache wiping on the phone has been completed successfully. So the next thing we have to do is to use the volume down key again to wipe data stroke factory reset. Use your power key again to select because it stands as the master key while or during this hard resetting process. Use your power key to select the wipe data stroke factory reset. Use your volume down key to select yes. So since the volume up key or the volume down key rather has helped us to select yes, press on your power key again to start the hard resetting process. Check the down part of your screen to check or to know if the hard resetting process has been completed. As you can see, data wipe complete, set factory reset done, data wipe complete. So that means we are uh, deep, we are far deep into the ad resetting process. So the next thing we have to do is to consider rebooting the device. So check the first menu, or the first option in this menu is reboot system now. So use your power key to select reboot system now to kickstart or to complete the ad resetting process of any unlocked or any locked Samsung device of your choice. Any locked Samsung device, press the power key to reboot the device. If you check the menu, you see that we are still having a drop down information verifying DM verify. So the DM verify has been completed. So let's give it some few seconds to finish the ad resetting process while we wait for the device to completely ad reset. This is Latest Tech YouTube channel. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please, we urge you to subscribe now. Click on the subscribe menu. After clicking on the subscribe menu, click on uh, notification so that each time we drop a new content, even while you subscribe, you can get notified via your drop down on the YouTube app to alert you that a new content has been uploaded. Check out this channel for more interesting videos because I'm so sure you will regret watching our videos. If you have any question, any inquiry, any suggestion, please use the comment section of this video to drop such comments, and we will reply to your comments in few hours, even few minutes as the case may be. Watch each of our video. After watching each of our video, please do well to comment, because when you comment, we will be able to reply to them and as well treat your pending problems. Please continue to wait while the ad resetting process completes. As I did told you the disclaimer of this video from the onset, that this video was only created only for educational purposes only. It was never created for any criminal activities. So please, you are hereby warned that it is only created only for educational purposes only. Let's continue to wait while the device or while the process completes. I assure you that it won't take much of your time. It's just few minutes and we are done. After the few minutes, you see that your phone will be back to its normalcy. The phone will look like you just purchased it some minutes ago, because the password you forgot, the pin, the pattern, the face unlock or the face locked, the fingerprints will all be wiped out. So let's give it some few minutes for the ad resetting process to be completed. I assure you, you will smile again with your Samsung device or Samsung mobile phone. The ad resetting is about 85-90% completed. It is 95% completed as we speak. So let's still give it some few seconds. I assure you we will soon round this video up. Let's give it some few seconds. Let's give it some few seconds. Let's give it some few seconds. Take note of these facts about resetting your Samsung mobile phone or device. The first thing you have to do is, in order to enable a smooth or a successful ad resetting process, is to charge your phone to 100%, fully charge it, because all what we are doing while taking this time, we have really benefited a smooth process, all thanks to the battery fully charged. So it is not advisable to use a 50% battery percentage, 60%, 70%, but you can use from 80%, most preferably charge it to its full brim, which is 100%. Fully charge your device before you embark on this journey to avoid damaging your OS, which is the operating system of the device. Let's give it some time. This device was fully charged. Before I kickstarted this process, it was 100%, it was fully charged before I embarked on this journey. So we don't have anything to fear as long as the phone or the device was fully charged. We are about to round up this video. This is about 98% done. So we are here all thanks to the hard resetting process. So the next thing you have to do is to select English, or you can use down here or up to select your language of preference. But since I'm in an English speaking region, I've selected English as my preferred language. So the next thing you have to do is to click on start. Click on off the Wi-Fi. Click on next, next. Go down, click on next, agree. So you can as well input your name, which is the first name and the last name, or you can forego it by clicking on next to take you to the next option. So you go down to and click next, click on the next. So what you do here, they are asking you to create a Samsung account. What I'll advise to skip this option by clicking skip. Check the bottom of the screen for skip. Click on skip to skip creating a Samsung account. No. Click on no. Okay. Wait for a few seconds for it to load to the next menu. So as you can see, your phone or this device is fully back to its full functions without password, without pin, without pattern, without face locked, without fingerprints. Don't forget that you have to subscribe to this channel to stay updated each time we drop a new content like this. Thanks for watching this video from Latest Tech. Check out our next video.